If you're having problems with stick drift on your Nintendo Switch Pro controller, it may help if you recalibrate the sticks. This will work in TV mode, but also tabletop mode as well. So you can see here we're connected. So obviously make sure your Pro controller is connected and go down to where it says System Settings and press A. We're going to go all the way down to Controllers and Sensors. Press A and move down to where it says Calibrate Control Sticks and press A. Now you need to tilt the stick you're having problems with. So for example, if we've got a problem with the right analog stick, I'm going to tilt it in any direction for a couple of seconds and it will bring you into this screen here. This is a really useful visual indication of stick drift because right now you can see that this controller isn't drifting. You can see that it centers every single time, because every time I go off the center, it goes to a circle, and then it goes to a plus when I'm back in the center. You might find that without even touching it, your controller is doing something like this, moving up like that, or moving down like that, without you even touching it, just by you holding onto it there. That will indicate that you've got stick drift. So it's a nice easy way to see it rather than wonder if you've got it in a game or not. So you can see here I've got full movement all the way around. It always centers no matter which direction I go in, and it's working as an analog stick because I can move it in small amounts. Now let's pretend it wasn't working properly. We have to press X to recalibrate, and then it's going to say please only recalibrate if there is something wrong. So I'm going to pretend there's something wrong, and we've got to move the stick in the direction of the arrows. So it's asking me to go to the right and release, down, release, to the left, release, up, release, and then it's going to ask me to do full rotations all the way around. And it's saying calibration is complete. So now you can check it again and see if it is working any better. If it's not, unfortunately, it may mean that you need to renew your analog stick in here or speak to Nintendo about it. And obviously, we can do the same thing on the other stick by pressing B, tilting this one, and then again, we can recalibrate this in the same way and test it out here. And then just go home afterwards, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.